How you doing? I'm Jeremy Davison with MarineMax Sail & Ski Austin. We got a 2021 Harris Crowne 250. We're gonna do a walk around, show the boat to you. This boat's actually sold, but we're gonna walk around and let you get a good look at it. You know, we can order more of these boats. A lot of people are ordering boats right now with COVID going on. So let's take a look at it. This boat's equipped with a Mercury 450 horsepower racing outboard engine. One thing I want to show is these right here are called M brackets, and these run the full length of the pontoon. And Harris is the only manufacturer that does that. Harris has been building pontoons since 1957 or 1959, but most manufacturers will take these brackets and they do it in sections, and then they'll have a cover across that to hide it. But this is not a cover. This is a full M bracket down the entire length of the actual pontoon itself. And also, you have the dolphin nosed tips here. It's basically a splash guard that comes all the way around the pontoon to keep a dry ride. And most manufacturers, and even Harris, on the higher end Harris models, they have the dolphin nose right here, but most of them will just have a splash guard right there. You know, that's 12 to 18 inches long. This boat has the French gray interior, French wood teak flooring. Got power tower, flip of a switch. You can raise and lower the tower on the boat. Nice for trailering, or if you got a dock with a lift and you need to lower the tower. Very convenient. If you got a power sun lounger seat back here, you can push the button here and fold this back. Got a nice sun lounge here, AL audio, speaker, stereo controls. You got a 12 volt, you got USB ports, speakers down here facing the rear, 6.5s. You got more storage in the rear. Nice struts, your battery switches. Your batteries go dead, you got a jump port right there. Other side, we have a insulated ice chest cooler. All the stainless steel cup holders have LED lights in them that change colors. Very nice boat. JL audio. Main control unit right here. Simrad. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can call me directly. My name's Jeremy, 512-924-7065. Thanks.